Start na. Okay, one more time. Hi everyone, this is Jane and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, dahil wala na naman po tayo magawa, for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a new lipstick out of those lipstick na nabale, naputol, or yung naubos na. Para hindi nyo na need pumili ng bagong lipstick and magkakaroon pa kayo ng bagong color combination or color ng iyong lipstick. So for today's video, ang mga kailangan natin is meron tayong kandila and yung mga lipsticks na putol-putol na. We can combine different colors para makakreate tayo ng bagong color. And then itong kutsara na syempre yung dapat medyo hindi na, yung pwede na hindi gamitin. And then toothpick para sa mga ano yan, para sa pagko-combine. Yan. So may kandila na tayo dito. And then dito sa spoon, dito natin ilalagay yung combination na gusto natin. So ito said na tong lipstick na to, pero maganda kasi yung pagka-pink nito. So isuscoop ko siya using toothpick. Hindi yan, ilalagay ko siya sa kutsara. Yan. Ano siya, this color is pink. Bright pink. Yan. Yan, ang dami niya pa sa loob, diba? Sayang. And this kaya said to kasi ito yung mga favorite kong gamitin na lip color. Let's find something na pwede. Ito mini lipstick to na regalo before, so never ko siya masyadong nagamit. So ayan, siya ang i-combine ko dito sa pink na to. Ayan, so this is our combination. Ayan, so ito red na may gold yan, and then yung bright pink. So let's see, let's melt it na. Diba, ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Hala, ang ganda ng color niya, ang nice. So habang mainit pa siya, ayan, so habang liquid pa siya, ilalagay ko siya dito sa container na to. And yeah, that would be a new combination, a new color combination, a new lipstick. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, and then second color naman. So next color would be this one. Yan. So I'll combine this color and itong andito. Tapos ito, i-recycle natin to. Ito yung gagawin natin. Dito natin ilalagay itong kulay na to. So, ito na siya. Ano yung color na nabuo natin out of that. Hintayin na natin na tumigas to. For our last lipstick, it's this one. Another balik. because this one is really dry. So I want to pair it with this one, which is glossy and super ganda sa lips. Ayan, so this two, maybe I'll just put it here because it's much easier to put this here kasi ibalik sa sarili niyang container. Ayan. So, just mix it again. This one is matte, so it's drying my lips actually. So I think it's better to pair it with this one. It's time to melt. Okay, so after that, for this one, ito yung kanina, yung nilagay natin sa, yung binalik natin sa lalagyan niya. So, ayan na siya. So, medyo imperfect lang yung top. So, you just need to shape it. Let's see the color. Tingnan yung color. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. So, next one. Tanggalin ko na yung lipstick. It's nice. Okay, so ayan. Brand new lipstick. Hindi naman brand new. I mean, recycled lipstick na nabale. And it gave us a brand new color. Ayan. Okay, medyo messy lang talaga siya, ano. Punas-punas na lang. Okay, next one is, ito yung first na ginawa natin. Medyo konti lang siya, but it's okay. So, ito yung color. Ayan, so we can just use our hands. And just put it. It is a combination of bright pink and dark gold red. And hindi masyadong makapal yung nalagay ko. Mga ano lang. Pang check lang if okay siya. So, okay naman. Hindi naman. Yan. Okay. Maganda naman. Actually, I like the colors na lumabas dito sa ating mini experiment. Ayan. Then next, parang ito yung favorite color ko out of all of these. Ayan. Kasi itong dalawa is medyo on the darker side. And ito is medyo on the nude side. And look, it's really nice. I like it. Kasi this is a combination of, ganda, diba? It's a combination of Make Me Blush Powder Matte, Maybelline. And itong Strawberry Sorbet from, hindi ko alam kung ano brand nito. But ayan. Ayan. Maganda yung kulay niya. Let's see. It's good. It's really nice. Ito siya. Ito siya. Ayan, diba? Nasa nude side siya ng lipstick. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda lang, ganun. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda. It's nice. And ayan, so that's how you do it. Medyo messy nga lang, but it's really nice to still be able to use all these lipsticks na hindi naman nasasayang, para hindi masayang, and hindi ko na need bumili ng bagong shade or what. I can just combine yung mga nabaling lipsticks into something, diba? So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can create then out of your broken lipsticks, di ba? Hindi porke nabali na, broken na, wala nang pakinabang. Magkakaroon pa rin talaga ng purpose yung something that is broken, di ba? Anyway, ayan. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment kayo below if ginawa nyo rin to. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. That's it for today. This is Jane.